Hey guys, it's Joy, your travel expert here, and we are on the Disney Fantasy, which is a sister ship of the Disney Dream, so the rooms will be pretty identical. We are in an ocean view deluxe family stateroom, and we have these beds put together for a queen. Then you have the sleeper sofa with the upper berth, and these, since they are deluxe family staterooms, sleep a fifth sleeper, and it will come down like a Murphy bed. Because we don't have the balcony, the room is extended and you have tons of storage. You have a mini fridge in here, drawers, some storage up there, more drawers, another cabinet, more storage, and then you have this huge portal. And then one of the things we love most about cruising with Disney is this split bathroom. So in this first bathroom, you have the shower and the sink. This is a round shower. Some of the showers are square, but this is a round. Then you also have some more storage over here in the safe and your life jackets and stuff, hanging clothes. And then in the second bathroom, you have the toilet and another sink. So you have multiple places to change and shut the door. Someone can go to the bathroom and shower at the same time. And then one of our other favorite things about cruising with Disney is so simple. It is just this little curtain that you undo and then you can close it and you've created another room. So essentially you have 4 different places that everyone can change and get ready.